70 on the strip, I'm ready to die. Cutting the traction, bet in the corner, bet I make shit glide. Try to bring the
What's good, my royalty family? Back at it again with another video. If you're new to this video, new to this channel is about cars, lifestyle behind cars, credit to get cars, car entertainment, car knowledge, car education. So if you're into that stuff, stick around and turn your post notification bells on so you don't miss none of the great things I have. So today, y'all see the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be taking my SRT Jeep, my 2012 SRT Jeep, to get some tint, some 5% tint. I know a lot of people are like, hey, that's illegal. We all know. Oh, look at this. Nice little Jeep. Daily fixing, flexing, and sticks. That's what the Instagram tag say. They ain't want none. But headed to get tint, 5% tint on the sides and the back. I'm gonna do a little walk around of the car before I actually leave the tint shop. I haven't got to it there yet. But if you are looking into 5% tint, there's a legal way for you to get it. And I'm gonna help you get it. So if you're like me, meaning you got glasses and you can't see without them, I can see without them. Ah, dang, I'm putting them all wrong. Oh, hold on, guys. On raw, uncut. But I'm nearsighted. So anything far, I can't see it without these glasses on. And if you don't know, your eyes get worse when you wear glasses. Or is it the other way around? I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and get 5%. Then I'm going to tell y'all how to get 5% without the police stopping you or you ever feel like you're doing something illegal. So told y'all I was gonna give y'all a walk around, but y'all seen it already. So you see that it got tint on it. You can see through it, and I don't want that. I think it's what, 20%. So we're gonna do 5% all around in the back too. The back already got 20% tint. So we're gonna go 5 to see how it looks. It's gonna be blacked out, but understanding more importantly that my driver and passenger side windows are tinted, and we're gonna go from there. Then stay tuned for what it look like. Hopefully it's still light outside and they can finish it quicker, but quality is better than what? Is it quality is better than quantity? So I want them to take their time. So I'll be back with y'all. And Joker's off. If y'all didn't know, that's his name. Now we wait. All right, so the car is finished now. Look at it being clean. See, could y'all see through? Yeah, y'all can see a little bit through. But you gotta get close. Somebody hit me. It's a Charger racing a truck. But you can't see nothing. But guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna tell y'all how to get 5% legally. So, guys, I got y'all here now, so I'm gonna make it quick. So if you are looking to do any illegal tint, I'm pretty sure y'all already know this. But if you don't, I'm gonna tell you. The legal way to have 5% tint, anything less than 35, is if you wear glasses and you have hard times in, you can get a actual notice from your doctor, and you can let your doctor know, like, hey, when I drive, the sun hurts my eyes and I get headaches, and your doctor will prescribe a note for you to have tint because the tint helps the sun not beam into the car so much. So that's my gym, that's my game for today. This is the way to get legal tint. So whenever the cops pull you over and say, hey, your tint is not legal, you just tell them like, hey, I have a doctor's note to have this tint, and show them the doctor's note, and you can go scot-free. Hopefully y'all find this information valuable. Appreciate y'all support, appreciate y'all watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about it, and stick around. But other than that, supporting is free 99, don't cost you a dime. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.
All right.